Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get honey glazed fruit and grow a garden. So guys, this is how the honey glazed fruit looks like. And if you want to get the honey glazed fruit, you can add the honey sprinkler. Wait, I'm going to go to my items and go to the gear items. Okay, and then you can put on this honey sprinkler on your garden, especially on the plant that you want to change into the honey glazed plants. And for example, I'm going to add this honey sprinkler here nearby the moon melon. Okay, and I'm going to add it here. Okay, and then we can click on confirm. Okay, and then you just need to wait for a moment until your fruit or your plants mutated to the honey glazed. Okay guys, and then to get this honey sprinkler for free, I recommend you to join the summer harvest event, and you will have opportunity to get this reward for free. Okay, I have already gotten maybe 7 or 8 honey sprinkler, and then we can use this one to make a mutation for our fruit, and of course the mutated fruit will more worthy than the original fruit. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.